Imagine driving 138,000 clicks to your products and services by leveraging the power of Pinterest. This is what I have been able to do for the last 30 days for my brand. And it's no secret, if you have watched my previous videos, that Pinterest is my secret sauce when it comes to growing my business on autopilot. So if you want to dominate your niche and become an authority, then Pinterest is the place to be. Now, Pinterest makes it easy to drive traffic back to your small business to help you increase conversions and grow your email list on autopilot. When you use Pinterest the correct way, you can actually see results right away, unlike other platforms where you have to pay to play or try to crack the algorithm. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some critical steps with you that you must take to get results with Pinterest just like these. So make sure to stick around all the way till the end. Hi, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nancy, and I help small business owners turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe for weekly videos, and let's go ahead and get started. Tip number one that I have for you is focus niche. The number one mistake you can make on Pinterest is not having a focused niche and leaving people confused about what you offer. If you're not focused on building your brand and having a niche, you will attract the wrong audience and show your products and services to people who are not really interested in what you're selling. So if you don't attract the right audience, then you're just another Pinterest user. So for example, when you visit my Pinterest profile, prospective customers know exactly who my target audience is, what I do, and why they should decide to either follow me or not follow me. This is a great way to attract the right audience and repel any unwanted attention. Tip number two is focus on providing value. So one of the things you have to stop doing is focusing so much on growing your business and start providing value through your products and services. There's no easier way to increase your customer base than providing value and having your customers promote your brand for you. It will also improve the likelihood that people will save them to their own Pinterest boards, which means more exposure for your content. Now, if you're looking to accelerate the growth of your Etsy business a lot quicker, make sure to grab my Etsy Mastery course, which you will learn the exact steps needed to be taken to start, manage, and scale your Etsy shop to a full-time income. And what's great about this course is that you also get a Pinterest course included as one of the bonuses in the actual course. I will leave the link below for more details. Now, tip number three is create searchable content. So you want to make sure to create content that your target audience is searching for that solves a problem. So creating the proper content that will get you noticed and get clicks and repins that eventually turn into sales and help you grow your email list. So stop being all over the place and focus on your brand so you could become an authority within your niche, which is going to help you stand out from your competitors, and it's going to help you turn visitors into actual customers. Now, I did this mistake earlier on when using Pinterest. I was mixing my affiliate marketing, my Etsy coaching, my Etsy stores, and everything else in one account. And it was confusing not only my audience, but also the algorithm. My results blew up the minute I focused on creating searchable content for a specific niche. And tip number four is don't make the mistake of treating Pinterest as a social media platform. I don't know if you know this, but Pinterest is a search engine. So make sure that you optimize your Pinterest account and content for SEO. So to boost your Pinterest account's visibility in the search results, tell Pinterest who you are and what you do. Also, name your boards to reflect phrases people are likely searching for. And in addition, make sure to add rich keywords to your pin descriptions. So there you have it, 4 ways to help you explode your Pinterest traffic. Now, let me know in the comments below which tip was your favorite, or if you have any questions, and thanks again for watching.